Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your AMD from not working. So you're just going to type in device manager here and you're going to select display adapters. And you're going to select your AMD, whatever version you have, right click and then update driver. Search automatically. As you can see, it's been installed already. If not, go back, browse your computer for drivers, let me pick from a list of available drivers, and then select the second one and press next. If that doesn't work, right click, go to properties and go to driver and select rollback driver. It says if the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. If that doesn't work, you just have to update your Windows. So go to Windows Update Settings. Check for updates, and if that's all good, just restart your PC after everything and you should be good. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.